Hello students, welcome to Shortest classes. So in today's lecture we will solve some questions of physical chemistry and the chapter is adsorption and colloids. So this is our focus for this lecture. For more information you can visit our website www.shortestclasses.com. So now let's start with our first question in this video. So the question is, with the increase in the temperature gives free energy of the adsorption of a gas on a solid surface becomes more positive from a positive value, becomes more negative from a positive value, become more positive from a negative value, and become more negative from a negative value. So this is the question from NET 2012 June. So let's solve it. So for the adsorption of a gas on a solid that occurs spontaneously. Okay, so this is the gas on a solid. So if it is a spontaneous condition, then the change in the gives free energy that will be negative, so then del G, the change in the gives free energy, that will be negative. Okay, as adsorption causes a decrease in the degree, adsorption that causes decrease in the degree of freedom of the gas molecules. This process involves decrease in the entropy. So this is also decrease, that is decrease in the freedom of gas, and this will lead to further decrease in the entropy. Okay, and this decrease in the entropy is del S, and this del S will be also negative by charge. Okay, so till this, hope you can understand. From here we can also say this adsorption process is entropically unfavorable, right? But as the process occurs spontaneously, this is a spontaneous process, I already said, process. So for that, the change in the enthalpy for the process must be negative or highly negative. Yes, highly negative. So this enthalpy change, that is del H, will be negative in nature. So if it is also negative, then we can say the adsorption of gas on solid is an exothermic process. It's the exothermic process. Now if the temperature is increased further, now the point is, if the temperature is increased, then in that case the equilibrium will be disturbed. will be disturbed. So for that, according to Le Chatelier's principle, Le Chatelier principle, to re-establish the equilibrium, re-establish the equilibrium, and then if we re-establish the equilibrium, the process will be occur in reverse way. So this is how the process will become non-spontaneous. Okay. Hence, del G, that is the change in Gibbs free energy, will be positive in charge. So now moving to the options part. So here we had options that is become more positive from the negative value, becomes more negative from the positive value, and option 3 is become more positive from the negative value. So option 3 will be the correct statement. So option C says 3 is the statement. So option C will be our answer for this question. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or any doubt regarding this video, or you want to request for any other question answer solve or any other lecture, so you can comment us in the below section. Thank you for watching.